Hi guys, I've just come home from important meetings. I could not watch the markets. However, I will log in very quickly and check what's happening with Adani and all the other holdings. Quickly going to Trade Genie. The margin is in negative. We'll check why it is so. I'm having minus 33,000. I'll figure out why it is so. For now, Adani Ports is at 550 levels. It hasn't gone much up. Let's just check the chart. What type of movement has it done? Alright, I'll just go to a 5 minutes chart. And on a 5 minutes chart, okay, so Adani went all the way up till 600 and then has fallen down to 550. So market started at around 548 levels, went to 600 and then has come back. Let me just go to my positions. On my positions today also we have a great recovery of close to 44,000. I think purely because of premium decay. Bank Nifty hasn't moved anywhere. 0.08% is nothing, and Adani has just moved by 1%, which also is equal to nothing. And currently if I see my loss making positions, I think Dixon is giving a profit of 9,000 here and 6,000 here, close to 16,000, and equal losses are here in the 2,700 put. So the spread that I have taken for Dixon worked very well. I took 3 lots of Dixon at 45. I shorted it, but then to spread it out, I took 1 lot short of call at 159 rupees premium and then 2 lots of call short at 59, which is giving me good returns. Adani Ports right now is in ban period, and 550 call is giving a loss of close to 13,000 rupees and 650 put is giving a loss of close to 55,000. So yesterday the cumulative loss of call and put combined was close to 1 lakh rupees. Today it is 55, 58, 68, just 68,000 rupees is the cumulative loss in Adani Ports. So as I said, we have booked close to 1 lakh odd in Adani Ports. Now even if I square off these two positions here, I think I will make close to 40,000 rupees in Adani Ports, but I think we can hold it for a while because the volatility is extremely high in Adani, and it is also in the ban period, so we will have some liquidity issue. I'll wait for a day or so to make sure that it comes out of liquidity issue, the premium reduces down a little bit more, and then eventually once the losses have been minimized we can exit out. Now the reason why the premiums are going down so fast is because of the drop in implied volatility. So the IV of Adani Ports has dropped down drastically. To cross verify that, I can just go to my FNO. It's a paid platform where you can check about where you can check the charts of option Greeks as well. So this is my FNO, and I'll just go to IV scanner. So here I think the markets, in the scans we have price, we have OI, we have volume, and then we have IV. So I'll just go to IV chart, and in the IV chart I'll just select a symbol, maybe say Adani Ports. Alright, so Adani Ports is here. I'm just opening the chart of Adani Port. This is the Adani Port chart. I'm just going to maximize it. Okay, so we have price, we have, alright, so this is the IV, and when market started falling down, the IV of Adani was 89, 96, 90, 117, and it reached 146 when Adani Ports had its lower circuit. But now from 146 level, IV is falling to 134, 93, and today it is just 84. So IV has gone down by approximately 50%, because of which the premiums have gone down drastically. So you see, yesterday the losses were close to 1 lakh rupees, but today the losses are close to 65, 66,000. And tomorrow, if the IV further reduces down to maybe 75 or 74 levels, the cumulative loss will be closely in the range of maybe 50,000. So I'm just going to wait for a while for it to cool down a little bit, and then we will see. So you will see that today Adani Ports is at 551 in spite of Adani being up by 1%. 550 call is giving a profit of 16,000, that is approximately a profit of 4,000 rupees per lot. It is purely because of premium decay, and of course if the market will go up, put will go down, and 12,500 odd rupees profits in Adani Port. So this was my biggest loss making setup that I've taken, but as I said, I've booked enough profits in Adani Ports. I've shown it in the previous videos, and now I'm making profits here. Apart from that, if I have to focus on Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also having good premium decay. So you will see that on one side I'm just losing 1400 on the call side, but I'm making 7800 on the put side. So cumulatively the premium decay is very good on the put side, because in spite of Bank Nifty not moving anywhere, 0.12 or 50 points move in Bank Nifty is nothing. But in spite of just having 50 points move, because of IV drop in Bank Nifty also, put is giving a gain of 8000. Now even call is in profit. So you will see both call and put are in profits. The reason is purely the premium decay and the spreads that we are having here. So we have recovered more than 45,000 today in one single day, and after so many days I can see my PNL below 2 lakh from minus, I think the highest I've seen is minus 3.4 lakh few days back. From there we have booked a lot of profits. In spite of booking a lot of profits in the open loss making position, right now I can see my PNL finally minus 1.91, or basically below 2 lakh rupees. And I think with time, with more decay, I think if I give it another 2 or 3 days, I think this PNL might come in my favor to a bigger extent, and then I think I can square off the position. But yeah, again, to brief you, I'll just show you the BNO reports, my back office reports. Alright, so I think there's some problem with back office. Okay, it's finally opening up. So we'll go to reports. In the reports, PNL report. In the PNL report, just from Jan, maybe say 25-26, that is where the report started kicking in. From there, in the FNO segment, how much have we booked so far? Let's just check. We've already booked 1,93,000 from 26th Jan to 7th Feb. So the loss that you are seeing here, 1,94,000, we have already made so much in the last few days. So currently we are almost at cost to cost. But again, as I said, we will aim to make sure we come out of such bad situations also profitably. And again, if I have to summarize my trades in Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports, specifically if I stick to Adani Ports, alright, so these are the trades in Adani Ports. We have 1800, 7000, 28,000, 16,000, 9,000, 12,000 and 2,000. So this comes down to close to 1 lakh rupees. So we have already made close to 1 lakh rupees in Adani Ports, and in Adani Enterprises also we have made good profits, 4,000, 1,000, 1,000. So we have made good profits overall in Adani, and currently Adani is giving us a cumulative loss of 55 plus 16, I think 71. So in spite of, even if I book it right now, I'm closely in a profit of 25-26,000 rupees. But as I said, we'll hold it for one more day. Let's just check what happens if I hold it for one more day. If I get some more premium decay, I think I can call it enough and I can book the losses whatever I'm facing here, knowing that I've booked the profits there. And once I'm off the Adani Ports, I can focus on other things. Currently I'm in a minus 36,000, so I will be having a small penalty of having a margin in negative, and I think I'm okay to bear that small penalty of margin whatever my broker will apply. We have very good relation with Trade Genius, so I think they will charge me very less for this. But anyways, I can always talk to them and figure out what are the charges. For now, I think we are good to go. I think I'll wind up the session here, and I'm not in a mood to take any fresh positions. Adani is slightly going up again to around 560 levels. So 550 call will definitely give me losses, but simultaneously 650 put is going good, which is basically nullifying the losses that I'm facing here. But anyways, so that's it for today. Now before I wind up, Adani Ports is at 33.25, 550 call, but if I go to market depth, it is 33 and 39. The spread is huge because it is in the band grid, and this is the primary reason of me not trading or not hedging or not creating any more legs, purely because it is in the band grid and I cannot do anything. So I will try again maybe tomorrow once the ban goes out. I hope by tomorrow the ban goes out on Adani Ports and we will be able to trade again freely. If yes, then I can consider creating more spreads, or if I don't want to fall in the headache, I can just simply come out in the losses and start focusing on new trades altogether. So see you guys on another day, that is tomorrow.